And for us, take transport, come here, 15 naira. Why for take back?
You wait, the biz goes down, huh? Go down, nah.
Boss, agree to.
Hey, my guy.
Now, why you buy brand biz now?
Oh, see that fine girl.
We.
Another girl, another girl. Now, what? You see that babe? So when you call you, you will go toast that girl. She will give me number. I swear. See, if that girl give you number, this biz I can't give you. You see that babe? So I dey come. Just wait for me. I dey come. I want to toast you. Will you agree?
What?
It's where you are went to distance from me. I mean, far.
Jesus is Lord.
Let's come up for sun. The sun is hot.
Jesus.
What's I want to do now? I'm not praising you now. Wow. I'm not calling that number. What is the stop now? Wait till they sleep. And she call the toast me. That girl.
You sure?
That girl.
Massive no.
She they call you this evening. See the number.
Hello, Jessica.
They tell me, I say, no, give my number. No, you don't know my number. So I got every biz come out.
If you are not kidding for now.
What? Jesus is Lord.
Ayẹlẹ o, ìbọ̀sí o. Ayẹ̀dọ̀rí kọ̀dọ̀.